Hello friends, I have created this video cause I got several complaints from the viewer of one of my previous video, JBL Flip 3 crackling sound fix. In this video I will explain you the mechanism and working of an speaker and also let you know which part or which wire was replaced by me in JBL Flip 3 video. So this is a label diagram of the speaker which is similar to the speaker resides inside JBL Flip 3. Checking it from the beginning, the first one is speaker diaphragm, the second is the dust cap, the third is the speaker frame which is made up of metal, and generally it is made up of iron or else made up of copper. And next is the braid wires which I have repaired in the JBL Flip 3 video, and the suspension, generally it is known as a spider which holds the speaker diaphragm at particular position. And next is permanent magnet, the speaker terminals, and two plates on the either side of the permanent magnet. This is 2D representation of the speaker where you could able to check the internal parts of the speaker like voice coil. You could see the two terminals of voice coil is glued to the speaker diaphragm, from where the braid wires are connected to the outer terminal of the speaker where the speaker is getting the audio input. Now let's remove the label, and I have created a circuit for input signal where I have used source 1 as input signal source and S1 as a switch. Now let's close the switch S1. As soon as the switch S1 got closed, the AC current activates the coil and it starts behaving like an electromagnet. As per the frequency generated from the audio source, the voice coil gets attracted or repelled from the permanent magnet in the speaker. Considering the situation given in the video, the voice coil is moving up and down. Due to the movement in the diaphragm, it starts compression and relaxation in the air, which creates sound waves, and we start listening an audio. I have marked the displacement of the diaphragm by using two arrows at the edge of the diaphragm. Let's open the switch S1, and now I will include one more source S2 and connect it in the circuit to increase the amplification in the frequency of input audio signal. You could consider this situation as you are playing an audio on the speaker at very high volume or at maximum volume. Now let's close the switch S1 once again. As you could see, the amplification and frequency changes a lot of things. You could see the displacement of the diaphragm is higher if you're comparing it with the previous displacement of the diaphragm. So this in results increases the tension in braid wire. You can see the vibration in braid wire also increases, which decreases the life of the braid wire, or you could say it decreases the life of the speaker. You could compare the displacement by watching an arrow mark at the edge of the diaphragm. The left one is of the previous displacement while we have used source 1, and the right one is of the current displacement while we are using source 1 and source 2 for amplification of the frequency in the input signal. So it depicts that if you are playing a high bass song or any audio at higher volume regularly on this type of small speakers, it will definitely decrease the life of the speaker, or the speaker will suffer from the damage at that particular moment. Now open the switch S1. So as you can see, this is the low current woofing movement. The displacement of the diaphragm is very low, so this will increase the life of the speaker, and risk of braid wire damage will be decreased. Similarly, if you are playing the speaker at higher volume, it will decrease the life of the speaker. So the viewers having doubt in understanding the restoration of JBL Flip 3 speaker in my previous video, I would like to acknowledge you that I have sniffed off the damaged braid wire and replaced it with a new wire by soldering it. Thank you very much for watching this video. In case you are having any doubt regarding this video, you could leave your comment in the comment section below, and Please do like, share and subscribe the channel for the latest update.